To conquer the elements, computers simulate extreme wind turbulence. The tower's unique twist reduces wind loads by 24%, saving massive... Beneath the surface lies a complex steel skeleton. Massive trusses distribute immense forces safely. A living monument to precision engineering. At the towering crown of the megastructure lies a 1,000-ton mass of precision steel. It sways to defy furious typhoon winds, making physics the ultimate guardian. Beneath the surface, massive loads are transferred. A 6-meter-thick raft foundation anchors the tower. Hundreds of deep-bored piles disappear into the earth.